Hey, very good morning to everybody in the mindful mornings with Prakriti and I hope कि आप ये सारी activities कर रहे हो अच्छे से. I am receiving a lot of messages. I would really also like if you all अगर आप practice कर रहे हैं तो आप comment section में आप अपना experience share करिए और आप मुझे बताइए कि how are you feeling, what are the different awareness that you have been able to bring about. So yes, so let us begin with today's mindful activity, and it's a very magical activity you can say. ये जो प्रैक्टिस है ये मैंने एनर्जी हीलिंग का कोर्स किया था. He is a very good energy healer I have met till now. He's extremely intuitive, and उनका जो मैंने कोर्स किया था to become a healer, I had done that course, and उस टाइम पे what I learned has something which is which has proved really amazing for me, and I wish the same that आप भी उसको बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करिए. नॉर्मल डे में आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं and it will really make you feel so much centered. You will really feel that you are becoming more and more of yourself irrespective of the other person's उनके थॉट प्रोसेसेस क्या है, उनके जजमेंट्स क्या है, उनके सजेशंस क्या है. You will not be really thinking about these things, and you will see that the more and more you inculcate this practice, you will see that you are becoming more and more of your own self, right? So ये जो practice है very simple. What you have to do is कि first you just both the palms, okay, like a namaste. You just join the fingers at the tip of the fingers and the palm. You join, and then first just take some deep breaths. Deep breathing करिए, center yourself, and then put your palms, both of your palms, at your heart chakra or near your heart, and then you close your eyes. I generally put the music in background because music does have a therapeutic effect, and you will see that it definitely calms your mind, right? So okay, so now coming back to the practice, ये जो so you put your palms at the heart chakra and you close your eyes and you suggest yourself, I now allow myself to surrender and get into my heart space. I now allow myself completely to get into my heart space. I now allow myself completely to get into the heart space. And then take some deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. I completely surrender myself into the depths of my heart space. So then you can slowly open your eyes and then just be, okay? You will not feel something drastically changed, but what will happen is whatever you are doing, you will involve a lot of heart into it. Whatever you are, if you have to make a decision, you will see that there's a lot of your own essence or the quality of your own self is there. आपने देखा होगा कि the more and more we become ourselves, there is a very distinct quality that each one of us have. So giving the the yoga and the yoga knowledge, so we all have pranic energy. Pranic is the life energy that we each one of us have, and it's very different. So each person's pranic energy quality is extremely different, and when we do pranayamas and yogas, you will see that that pranic energy is expanding. But apart from that, even this activity, when you get into your heart space, what is happening is all the creative forces are then being it activated, you will automatically feel so much in tune with yourself, so much aligned with your own quality of the energy. And when you become more and more of yourself, when that creative flow of energy starts to build up, you will definitely feel more at ease with the things, with the processes of life, with the decisions of life, and your intuition will also improve. You will sense what the other person's affection or feeling, or you can actually sense if that person is thinking something good about you or that person is thinking bad about you. You can definitely sense that because your intuition power has become very very strong, and because your pranic energy is building up, your aura is building up. So yes, this is again a very very simple activity, and it has proved really magical for me. I wish you the same. Do this activity, and then you see, do it for a few days and let me know how it was. Thank you so much. I will see you again tomorrow.